This month, I made over $4,000 by creating 3D cartoons with the help of artificial intelligence. A channel that uploaded 32 videos and gained over 100 million views with animated stories about religious themes brought the creator more than $10,000. Today, I will teach you how, from complete zero and without experience, you can make the same funny 3D cartoons on spiritual themes and connect monetization. And at the end of the video, I'll share my personal method that helped me get into recommendations and grow a lot of subscribers. So don't skip ahead. Our step-by-step plan will look like this: choosing a niche, which we've already done, then writing a script idea, creating the content, optimizing the channel, regularly uploading to YouTube, and enabling monetization. Since we have already found the niche, to create it, we will need the website Video.enu. I found it quite recently, and I want to recommend it to you. It works great with 3D animation. We click Start for free and get to the main page. Here, there are two functions: create a character and create a full 3D animation. You can also look at other works and get inspired by the example videos. And I'll be giving away 3 free Video.enu Pro memberships, so a few of you will be able to try creating unlimited videos. The details will be in the description. So, to start, we click on the big yellow button AI Video Generate. We create a project, and it takes us to the settings where we will write the prompt and choose the style. Let's go step by step. Everything is as simple as possible. Here you can choose the video format, either 16:9 for long animated cartoons or shorts 9:16. That's what we need since we are making shorts content. Next, you can choose graphics. There are many styles for any taste. You can even create full AI movies with realistic graphics. But we choose the 3D cartoon style. It fits best. Now we move on to a very important part, the prompt. Here you must take it seriously. Otherwise, you will not get the result you need. There are 2 sections: basic prompt and smart prompt. In my opinion, it is better to choose the smart prompt. It makes things easier. To write a good prompt, we will use ChatGPT or any other text assistant, for example, DeepSeek or Gemini, it doesn't matter. To get a good prompt, first come up with your own story idea. Describe the characters, how many of them there will be, and write a short plot of what should happen in the cartoon. Our theme is fantasy, and we have 2 main characters. So we write a prompt like this: send me a prompt to create a 3D cartoon. The plot is as follows. A kind traveler with a beard, long hair, and a staff climbs a beautiful green hill. There, he sees a mysterious, shadowy creature. The creature is red, has horns, and a tail. It stands there, staring at a small kitten. The traveler notices this and rushes to help, gently pushing the creature aside. ChatGPT will divide the story into mini-scenes, which will be convenient to use. And in this way, Video.enu will understand and distribute each scene separately. We copy and return to Video.enu, paste our prompt, and the last setting is the video duration. Here there is 1 minute for shorts content, and also 5, 10, and even 30 minutes for short films or full cartoons. This is very cool in my opinion. For our animation, I think it's better to take 3 minutes, and then see how it goes. In general, you can make both 30-minute videos and 1-minute ones. It all depends on you. We click the next button in the top right. Our script starts generating, and now it's ready. Our animation is divided into scenes. As you can see, in each scene there is text describing what will happen, and if necessary, you can edit any scene if you don't like something. I got 21 scenes, not bad. We click next. Here is the most interesting part. We need to create characters for our animation. Depending on our script, Video.enu calculates how many characters are in our prompt and suggests how many need to be created. In our case, we have 2 main characters. We click on the first one. There are already ready-made characters, but we need our own. Click Create. And here you need to write a prompt for how the character should look. We return to ChatGPT and write the following request. Now write a prompt to create a picture for 2 characters, a kind traveler and a shadowy creature. We get 2 prompts. Copy the first one and paste it into Video.enu. At the top, you can set the gender and age of the character. Adjust it according to your character. You can also upload an already existing character here if you want, and if you already have a ready image. If not, leave it as is. Click Generate Picture and wait about 15 seconds. Save and repeat the same steps with the other characters. Save everything and click Next. Now Video.enu generates pictures for each scene. Usually this takes about 2 to 5 minutes. The main thing is to come up with a good heartfelt story so that the viewer wants to watch. Always put yourself in the viewer's place and ask yourself if you would want to watch this animation. That is very important. When the pictures are generated, each one can be recreated again if some scene doesn't look good to you, or just delete it here, it's up to you. After generation and checking all the pictures, the last step is to animate them. We move on to the next stage, and here everything is very simple. As I said earlier, I got 21 pictures, which means I need to animate 21 pictures. To do this, just click the animate button. Here you can animate each image separately if you don't like something or if you want to redo it manually. Or you can press animate all. There are a lot of animation styles here. I prefer Kling AI as it gives the best quality, or you can choose Video Inu V1, which also looks great. We click confirm and wait until all our animations are ready. This will take a little time. While the animation is being processed, I'll mention that Video Inu often runs token giveaways, so it's worth following the platform if you're interested in that. Personally, it has helped me in reaching my goals on YouTube, and now our animations are ready. You can preview each one, recreate it, or delete unnecessary scenes, do it however you like. I've checked everything, and as you can see, the animation already looks really cool. So let's move on and click next. After this comes the final step. You can make a thumbnail for the video that's optional. I personally don't use it. You can also enable subtitles and pick the text style and font you like. For our niche, this isn't needed, but it's there if you want. And the third option is background music. You can also choose it here, so if you need it, select the music that fits your video. After that, we press generate, then select the final format and video quality. I set it to 1080, the best option. We generate, and the creation of our final video begins. That's it, friends. Let's see what we've got. It's really cool. It looks incredible to me. What do you think? Write in the comments. I recommend you try Video Inu and create your own animation. You'll find the link below. Now the only thing left is to edit the video, add footstep sounds, and maybe some music. We use any editing software. I use CapCut. Now we create a new project and upload all the necessary material here. Prepare the different sounds you need for your video and the music. A prompt with tips for ChatGPT, all my sounds and the required music will be in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Go there and download the whole pack. So, I've uploaded everything I need, and as I go through editing, I will add more. First, I'll adjust the background music. It's too loud, set it so it doesn't hurt the ears when listening. And another very important detail, rewatch the entire animation. If there's a scene you don't like, or it's too long, cut it down to the length you need. I'll do that right now so the animation looks perfect. Everything here is up to you, since you have your own story and your own animation. I wanted to tell you, if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, stop waiting for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. The truth is, everyone feels unsure at the beginning. Nobody starts with the best ideas, the best equipment, or the perfect plan. But the difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. They actually start. Think about it, every creator you watch today once uploaded their very first video, and most of them were nothing special. But over time, they learned, they improved, and they built an audience. That can be you too. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need years of experience. All you need is the decision to begin. Record something small. Try an idea, upload it, and learn from it. Each video will make you better. Each upload will build your confidence. So don't wait for tomorrow or next week or when you feel ready. Start today. Your first step might feel small, but it can completely change your future. Open YouTube, make that video, and put it out there. You'll thank yourself later for starting right now. Meanwhile, I'm almost done now. I'm adding sounds for each scene so everything looks high quality. Mainly these are footsteps, magic sounds, laughter, and the background music itself. After editing is complete, recheck the whole animation, then press export. Render it in the best quality for YouTube Shorts, wait for it to finish, and let's look at the result. Guys, what do you think? In my opinion, it turned out really cool, and it was interesting to watch. The animation really grabs attention. What do you say? Write in the comments and share your results. We now move on to the final steps: channel optimization and monetization. My first tip for getting more views from recommendations is that, based on my experience, older channels created around 2020 to 2022 tend to perform better. If you have channels that are even older, it can help. This has worked for me personally. Now let's optimize the channel for publishing the video. In YouTube Studio, go to Settings at the bottom left, then Channel. Here you need to add tags for your video. I write History, Story, 3D Animation, Cartoons, Adventure. You can also add more tags if you want. For the country, choose the USA. In the other settings, in the second tab, check the middle option. That's all you need. Save the settings, and you're ready. Now the channel is fully set up for publishing videos. Next, let's talk about earning from monetization and beyond. As you can see, I have monetization enabled, and there are many ways to earn in addition to ad revenue. There are channel memberships, gifts, merchandise, brand deals, and sponsorships. Some creators earn an extra $2,000 or more from these options. The criteria for monetization, you probably already know: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. This is quite achievable in this niche because 3D animations are getting a lot of views right now, as you've already seen. So after about 10 to 15 quality videos, monetization can become possible, but of course, it depends on you. If you've watched until the end, congratulations, you can take part in my giveaway for 3 free Video Inu Pro memberships. Check the description for the details on how to enter. That's all. I hope this video was useful for you and that you liked the niche I showed today. Write your comments and questions. I'll help everyone. All the prompts, tips, and sounds are in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Subscribe to the channel and don't miss the new trends. Wishing you all the best in recommendations.